The Mini Cooper, F55, F56, F57 models from July 2018 onward with the 2.0-liter B48C twin-power turbo engine deliver about 141 kilowatts, 189 horsepower, and 280 newton-meters, commonly powering the Cooper S. This BMW-developed inline-four is part of the reliable B48 engine family and offers strong, smooth performance. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed Steptronic dual-clutch transmission, it drives the front wheels and delivers quick, responsive acceleration. The engine uses a durable timing chain and requires regular servicing every 12 months or 15,000 to 20,000 kilometers, with around 5.25 liters of fully synthetic oil meeting BMW LL01 or LL14 FE plus specs, typically 0W20 or 5W30. The B48 is known for its reliability, with far fewer issues than older Mini engines, though occasional minor oil leaks or electric water pump concerns can appear over time. Overall, it provides a lively driving experience with strong mid-range torque, and the sharp handling Mini is known for.